Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to hide any photo or image in Google Photos app for Android. So without any more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android smartphone. So if you have not installed the Google Photos application on your respective Android smartphones, then just go to the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for Google Photos. And on the first list you will see the application. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So if you have not downloaded and installed it, then firstly download and install it, and after this just tap on open. On opening you will see this kind of user interface, right? So here I have one image file, so you can see here. So how you can hide this image? So for this you can see here one option, library, just tap on it, and now on the above you will see here utilities, just tap on it, and now at the bottom you will see one option, locked folder, just tap on it. Now it will show you some instructions to set up to create a locked folder. Just click on this setup. Now you can use a fingerprint or the face ID also, or you can use the pin if you have set a pin. So in my case I have set a pin, so I'm gonna type the pin. So finally we have created a lock folder. Now you can just move back, and now just tap and hold to select your respective image which you want to hide. And after selecting your respective image, you can see here on the right top corner 3 dot icons, just tap on it, and you can see here an option, move to lock folder, just tap on it. Now click on continue, click on move, click on allow. So finally your image is being hidden. So if you use any gallery application also, this image will not be shown up. So you can see here, or even if you try to open again your Google Photos also, you won't see any image which you have hidden. So by using this option available inside your Google Photos application, you can easily hide any photo or image very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.